Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Google Sheets to Excel step by step. This is useful when you want to work offline or share your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel format. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the file you want to export. Next, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download. Now click on Microsoft Excel.xlsx. Google Sheets will automatically convert your file into Excel format. Once you click it, the file will download directly to your computer. You can now open the downloaded file using Microsoft Excel. Make sure to check your formatting after opening it, as some advanced Google Sheets features may look slightly different in Excel. If needed, you can resave or adjust formatting inside Excel. And that's it. You've successfully exported Google Sheets to Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.